besties. I'm about to walk into a book event and I'm really excited. I've been trying to put a lot of energy towards writing and reading, and I'm very excited about this. So it's definitely like something that's outside of my comfort zone and making me nervous to go to an event at night by myself in a different town, but we're here for it. I'll take you along if I can. The time of my life at the Godmothers thing. It was literally best ever. And I just stopped to get some food. I got a little bang burger. Excited. And I'm gonna just drive home and relax. Eat my french fry. Yeah.